Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll to the very bottom to find system management. Then let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So simply tap on this option, tap on reset settings, confirm everything with your screen lock if you've got one, and be aware because you cannot undo this action, so your device will basically forget all of the Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth devices, etc. So just tap on reset settings, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.